Hey, what's going on? It's your boy KQKC. Man, the LDBC, this is what we do. We work. That's what KQKC do. Work. Shout out to the LDBC. And yes, shout out to Gerald Miller for really pushing Anthony Joshua buttons. Eddie Hearns said that that's a motivation for Anthony Joshua to beat another heavyweight that never fought anyone under a top 10. Never fought a top 10. No one, not a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So he need motivation? You know what? Matter of fact, this is what I do. Alright? This is what KQKC do. This is what the LDBC we do. Alright? Now, Eddie Hearns said Gerald Miller only added to Anthony Joshua motivation by goading him. You know, at that news conference that time when he pushed his ass off the stage. You remember that, right? Yeah. So Miller pushed his buttons in New York. What he has done has motivated AJ. That's what the devil, Mr. Hearns, said. He told Omnisport that. I've not heard him talk like he spoke in this build-up. He was talking about reconstructing Miller's face. Do you think that's going to be so difficult to do? I mean, you do hold 3 belts, right, Mr. Joshua? Nah, I don't think that'd be hard to do. For the simple fact, Miller haven't fought anyone under a top 10. So, this should be pretty easy for him. See, now this is what I'm talking about. This is not the sort of stuff that you hear from AJ. Right. You know why? Just like I always said, because he's a pussy. That's all. He is one of those guys that haven't been to jail, like he said. He never been arrested. If you've been in a gang, you would have said worse things than he said. Trust me. I know. Remember, I'm 52. 30 years ago, KQKC wasn't nothing like this. Not on the south side of Chicago, baby. So trust me, this is the worst thing you ever heard? You never heard this sort of stuff from AJ? Wow. Some monster, huh? Yet, Hearns insists the underdog should not be underestimated. Oh, now he should be underestimated. It's going to be a tough fight, he added. How tough would it be to beat a 300-pound heavyweight that never fought anyone under the top 10? Oh, he got a great engine, Mr. Hearns said. Oh, he got a great chin, Mr. Devil Hearns said. He has a great punch variety, Mr. Hearns said. It's just amazing to be bringing a British heavyweight the #1 heavyweight in the world, to Madison Square Garden on June the 1st. What a time for the heavyweights. This is per Eddie Hearns. Bullshit. First of all, Anthony Joshua is not a #1 heavyweight in the world. He might be running a close third. Or I would get him fourth, really. Because I put Deontay Wilder, Luis Ortiz, Tyson Fury, and maybe he tied with Dylan White. Yes. I really believe that. The top heavyweight in the world is right here in the United States. He resides in Alabama. His name is Deontay Wilder, the Bronze Bomber. That's right. That's the top heavyweight. That is a top heavyweight that do things like fight the boogeyman of the heavyweight division, who will fight the lineal heavyweight champion of the division, who will knock out 39 men in the heavyweight division, who will beat successfully 40 heavyweight men in the heavyweight division. This is Deontay Wilder. He is the #1 heavyweight in the world. But no, you decide to bring maybe, just maybe, the #12 or 13 heavyweight in the world to fight your #4 heavyweight in the world. No wonder he's an underdog. No wonder no one cares about this fight. No wonder no one cares about Anthony Joshua in the UK about right now. I have many UK subscribers that tell me that Anthony Joshua is cowering out. So that's why you're trying to save face and make an offer to our champion, to the world's champion. Wake up, people. Wake the fuck up and smell the coffee. It's brewing. It's brewing. That's Deontay Wilder. KC. If you like the content of this video, you need to subscribe today and hit the icon bell while you at it. See, I'm going to tell you, KC, this is the place you want to be. I keep it real. No doubt. No doubt I keep it real. KC Boxing. I'm out of here.